Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today we're diving into something cool, refreshing, and oh so stylish. Swimming pool shapes. Whether you're dreaming of a backyard upgrade or just curious about pool design, here's a quick look at the most popular pool shapes and why people love them. First up, the classic rectangle. Clean lines, timeless design, perfect for lap swimming, and a favorite for modern minimalist homes. Freeform pools are all about creativity. Their flowing, natural curves blend beautifully with tropical or garden-style landscapes. Want a touch of elegance? Roman and geometric pools bring in classical elements, ideal for luxurious resort-style settings. Kidney-shaped pools offer a soft, organic look and are great for yards with limited space. Plus, they naturally create separate, shallow, and deep ends. Oval and circular pools are simple and symmetrical, perfect for relaxation, family fun, and balanced aesthetics. And finally, the L-shaped pool, ideal for corner yards or combining a swim area with a lounging space. Versatile and sleek. There you have it, 6 stunning pool shapes to inspire your next backyard oasis. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, like, and don't forget to subscribe for more home and lifestyle tips. See you in the next video.